Success. It's a word that echoes in the hearts of many, a beacon of achievement and fulfillment, but the path to success is rarely paved with ease and comfort. It's often a journey marked by sacrifice, demanding unwavering dedication and focus. And sometimes the price of ambition is paid in the currency of relationships. This reality is particularly evident in the lives of those who dare to dream big, those who strive to leave an indelible mark on the world. The pursuit of groundbreaking innovation, of pushing the boundaries of what's possible, can consume one's time and energy, leaving little room for the delicate dance of personal connections. But does that mean success and meaningful relationships are mutually exclusive? Is it truly an either-or proposition? The answer, as with most things in life, is nuanced. It's about understanding the sacrifices involved, about making conscious choices, about where our energy flows, and about recognizing that the pursuit of success doesn't have to equate to a solitary journey. Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur behind Tesla and SpaceX, embodies this complex interplay between ambition and relationships. His relentless drive and unwavering commitment to his companies have propelled him to the forefront of innovation, revolutionizing industries and captivating the world with his audacity. Yet his personal life paints a different picture. A tapestry woven with the threads of multiple marriages, highly publicized separations, and the constant pressure of living life in the public eye. Musk's journey serves as a compelling case study, highlighting the immense sacrifices often demanded by groundbreaking success.
Maintaining a harmonious balance between the demands of my companies and the needs of my relationships is a tightrope walk, one that I openly admit to struggling with.
His story underscores the reality that even the most brilliant minds, the most driven individuals, grapple with the complexities of juggling personal connections with the pursuit of their goals. Not all relationships are created equal. Some relationships, instead of serving as pillars of support and encouragement, can become stumbling blocks on the path to success. These are the relationships that drain energy, that sow seeds of doubt, that question your dreams instead of fueling them. These relationships often stem from a place of fear, fear of the unknown, fear of change, or even fear of your own potential success. They may manifest as subtle negativity, a lack of understanding for your aspirations, or outright discouragement. Recognizing and addressing these toxic influences is crucial for personal and professional growth.
Sometimes the most difficult but necessary act of self-care is creating distance from relationships that no longer align with your goals and aspirations. This isn't about severing ties out of anger or resentment, but rather a recognition that your energy is precious and best invested in relationships that uplift and empower you.
And that's, well, a key part of the journey towards achieving your dreams. Section 4. The Power of Prioritization. As we navigate the complexities of life, constantly pulled in different directions by our commitments and desires, the ability to prioritize becomes paramount. This is especially true for those who strive for greatness, for those who dare to chase ambitious goals.
Prioritization isn't about neglecting one area of life for the sake of another. It's about making conscious choices about where we invest our time, energy, and emotional resources. It's about understanding that we can't be everything to everyone, and that saying no to some things allows us to say yes to the things that truly matter.
For individuals like Elon Musk, this might mean dedicating long hours to building his companies, even if it means sacrificing some personal time. For others, it might mean setting boundaries around work hours to prioritize family dinners or quality time with loved ones. Section 5. Building a circle of growth. As we evolve, so too do our relationships. The people who once formed our inner circle may no longer resonate with our evolving values, goals, and aspirations. This is a natural part of growth, a reflection of our own personal journeys.
Building a circle of growth involves surrounding ourselves with individuals who inspire us, who challenge us to become better versions of ourselves, and who support our ambitions without seeking to clip our wings.
This doesn't necessarily mean cutting ties with everyone from our past. It's about recognizing that relationships evolve, and that sometimes the healthiest thing we can do is to create space for new connections that align with our current chapter. Section 6. The strength of difficult choices. Choosing to prioritize our goals, even if it means making difficult decisions about certain relationships, can feel selfish. We may be plagued by guilt, by the fear of hurting others, or by the societal expectation that we should be able to have it all. But the truth is, making these tough choices is a testament to our own self-awareness and our commitment to living a life true to ourselves. It's about recognizing that our energy is finite, and that investing it wisely is crucial for our own well-being and our ability to achieve our full potential. Ultimately, the strength of our inner circle is not determined by the number of people within it, but by the quality of the connections and the unwavering support they provide. And sometimes that means making difficult choices, letting go of relationships that no longer serve us, and embracing the transformative power of growth.